So what we're going to do today is we're going to finish the walls off, see if we can find enough materials to frame in the door. We might have to scrounge up some materials after today. We've got a stash of salvage timber at Brother's place, so we'll have a look there.
Sounds like a plan. Where was that one we had yesterday that you said, why didn't we use it? Sounds nice and tight. All right.
Now is it?
It's away here from the corner. You got to pull it over. It's got to be pulled over because he's over here.
I'm not really worried about this part yet.
What are you worried about then?
I'm worried about getting this even and up and down here.
And flush. Okay. We'll do that. Oh, he's got to come my way.
Yeah.
Good.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay. You get a screw in, one screw in, and don't worry about that. Only for height. Yeah. It'll be alright. Not perfect, but you get a screw in here. Let's take it out if we have to.
Good, good. All right. So you gotta measure them both ways before we put them up.
Put the top plate on there. Gotta do the top plate. I think I can make it work. Make a good center one.
So what do? Just cut them in half?
Yeah, I just cut them in half, and that makes a good center support.
Does it matter which way you've got it curved? Like that open part in it?
Not really. That might be good. Such nice boards in that one. I hate to use that one. Yeah, that one's way better. See how close we are there?
Mm-hmm.
The bottom's gonna pull in. Yeah, this one's gonna work good.
Towards me.
More?
More. Good, good. I told you he was kind of moth-eaten.
I don't know if there was a bird poo up here. They're using it as a rest.
Oh, when the sparrows came and visited it last night,
Yeah.
thinking aliens dropped this building in here.
That's
It wasn't
right.
here the day before.
That's right. So because we got this mid plate here,
Yeah.
you can screw into this pallet, and then you take this pallet, screw into that, and that keeps everything from
Flexing.
flexing this way. But
Okay.
you still need to put one in the mid of the top pallet. So I've got to put a reinforcement in there.
Okay, well this is the better one. Bracing. That one's full of nails. Use it later.
Yeah.
We will use it, but probably later.
We will use it.
Look, Mom, your house is almost ready. Guest house. That's what it is.
Should be 40.
Yeah. And what's your width here?
24.
24. Okay. Is it the same for both?
About 24.
Okay. And your height?
40. 40 by 48. There's something living in it for quite a while.
Well, he's on the roof now. No? I guess this tells us why you have to collect so many pallets.
Yeah. So it'd be nice to have one where I didn't have to cut two boards on either side.
Or circular saw, whatever you want to call it. Reciprocating saw, or?
I gotta do another cut.
Oh, you're gonna do with the circular, okay.
Yeah. Not boards on both sides.
Yeah. So all these short ones, even the braces, you're putting in 3 screws.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, now what we gotta do is bad.
Here, you can give it to me. I'll put it down here.
And I'll get you to come and hold the
What are you doing?
I put some diagonals to keep the front plumb. I'm going to try something here.
What's that?
I'm going to try flip this. I don't like the way it's...
Because it's not really... Hasn't got the alignment you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should have tried to find a board this thick and...
Yeah. Turn it around. Thicker boards are on the inside.
No, I can't do that, I don't think. What I'm going to do is this.
You can't do it this way. You can't flip around that way?
I don't want to do that.
All right.
This is going to be better. This is going to be better. It actually looks better even.
Okay.
That looks better, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So we flipped this board because it wasn't sitting right. A lot of these pallets, the boards are not put on straight, they're racked. So you got to find the best position. So you want to make sure this is plumb as much as possible. So we're going to put that brace, one of them braces over there, and make sure this is vertical. And then we'll bring the wall to it, this wall to it, and try and square the corner up.
Better?
Closer. Still got to come out about that far. Keeps bouncing back, I think.
Yep.
Run!
Flew away. You like those guys because they eat potato bugs.
That's right.
That looks like a better foot than the first one.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to do the same on this side. It's kind of racked.
Okay.
This wall's got to be put on too. What I want to do is nail these down in a position where they are. We'll put something across there so we can get it plumb this way and this way, and then we bring the sidewalls to it. Okay. I'll get you to grab these, please. Now I'm going to put a screw in here. And
You want to make sure this is plumb over here?
I'm not worried if it's over here that we got to do it. Bottom there, this one. And then I'm going to try and push it over and nail it over there. You see, I think it basically that board's got to touch that.
Okay. You going to cut that first?
Yeah. Measuring it. You can watch that until it's plumb. Here, yeah. We'll get something started here.
There you go.
Right there?
Yep. Good enough. Good enough for the girls we go with. You happy with that one?
A little bit, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close. I think we'll have to live with that.
Yeah, well.
And, you know, I'll bring it, there'll be another, there'll be jack post or king posts and jack posts. And there might be a header here. And then things either get turned into firewood or
Yeah.
you frame something with them.
Yeah, because they're kind of short, but they've also got those grooves cut in
The
them.
cutouts, yeah. Like I built the greenhouse with all of them as supports and side, and it was fine.
So you're going to use it for the top plate and header over here?
Yeah, I think so. We'll just double it up.
Never put that on tape.
If you did, it would die on the editing floor.
Yes, it would. If I'm wrong, you'll never know.
That's right. The joys of editing, eh?
Yeah, you got that right.